What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm out here in Gonaives, and I wanted to introduce you guys to my bro Kenedy. Kenedy, tell them where you from, bro.
I'm from Philippines, but I grew up here in Haiti.
How many years you been living in Haiti?
Since 1994, about 20.
How many languages do you speak?
About 3.
And what are the languages you speak?
English, Creole, and a little bit of Ilonggo.
And you're fluent in all 3 of them?
Except for Ilonggo.
Yo, this guy is an amazing dude, man. I'm telling you. My Haitian people watching this, if you're in the U.S. or wherever you at, come back home. You know what I'm saying? We got son been in Haiti since 1994. You know, so I'm happy that I met him because he's an amazing dude. He showed me around. You know, we spoke English, we spoke Creole, and the way he sounds speaking Creole is amazing. So I'm super happy and excited about the fact that I met my bro Kenedy, and you know, I just decided to make this little video. This is your boy Ben, and don't forget the Bentastico.